Today, we're diving into 10 secret Google accessible websites that feel almost too powerful to be legal. These free tools reveal just how much information is available about you online. Your digital footprint is bigger than ever, and these sites show what's out there. Use these resources ethically, never to invade privacy or break the law. Shodan is a search engine that scans for devices connected to the internet, like webcams, routers, servers, and smart home gadgets. It indexes these devices by scanning IP ranges worldwide, revealing what's exposed and sometimes unprotected. You can filter results by country, device type, or software version. Many devices show up with default passwords or outdated security. Shodan doesn't hack, it just reveals what's already public. It can also detect vulnerabilities by cross-referencing device info with known exploits. If it's connected, it's potentially exposed. Have I Been Pwned is a free website that checks if your email or phone number has been exposed in data breaches. Just enter your details, and it instantly searches billions of records for any breaches. You'll see a list of breaches where your info appeared and what was leaked, like emails or passwords. It's trusted by security experts and doesn't require you to give up any new information. You can even get notifications if your info shows up in future breaches. If you get a hit, change your passwords and enable two-factor authentication. It's a simple way to keep your account safer. The Wayback Machine is a website that archives snapshots of web pages, letting you see how any site looked in the past. Just enter a URL, pick a date, and you can view a preserved version of the page. The archive contains hundreds of billions of snapshots. Even deleted content can still be found if it was archived. The Wayback Machine is digital history preserved forever. Hunter.io is a tool for finding professional email addresses. Just enter a company's domain and it predicts the most likely email structure, like firstname.lastname@company.com. It gives you a confidence score for each result. You can also verify if an email is active. Hunter.io is popular for outreach and networking. Always be careful about where you share your email address. Social Searcher lets you search for mentions of any keyword, name, or hashtag across multiple social networks in real time. Track posts, mentions, and sentiment analysis from platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and more. Set up alerts to get notified instantly when your chosen keyword appears online. It's a powerful tool for monitoring your online presence and reputation. People is a powerful people search engine that builds identity profiles from public records, social media, and professional sites. Enter a name, email, username, or phone number, and Pipple connects accounts, addresses, phone numbers, and relatives. It's used for verifying identities, background checks, and fraud prevention. Try searching your own name to see your digital footprint. Maltego is an advanced OSINT tool used to map relationships between people, companies, domains, emails, and more. It visualizes networks, showing who's connected to whom and how. Maltego pulls data from hundreds of sources and builds interactive graphs of links between entities. Start with a single email or domain and watch the map expand as more links are found. It automates cross-referencing to reveal hidden relationships and potential risks in seconds. Maltego turns complex data into clear, actionable maps. Google Dorking uses advanced search operators to uncover files and resources that regular searches miss. Combine keywords, file types, and site filters to find open spreadsheets, PDFs, and more. For example, use filetype:\XLS site:\gov to find government spreadsheets or entitle:\index.of for public directory listings. Try searching your own domain with these operators to see what's exposed. Use Google Dorking to protect your data, not to invade others' privacy. Let's look at the OSINT framework. This website is basically a massive, categorized map of hundreds of OSINT tools and resources. Whether you're searching for phone numbers, emails, IP addresses, or social media profiles, the framework helps you find the right tool for the job. It's organized like a flowchart, so you can quickly jump from one type of search to another and discover new resources you might never have found otherwise. It's constantly updated, reflecting the latest tools and techniques in the OSINT world. For researchers, journalists, or anyone doing digital investigations, this saves tons of time. Instead of hunting down individual tools, you have a one-stop shop for everything from people searches to domain lookups. The framework covers everything: social media, geolocation, metadata, and much more. It's like having a personal OSINT assistant guiding your research. If you want to level up your investigation skills, bookmark the OSINT framework. It's the ultimate starting point for any deep dive into public data. Last, but definitely not least, let's talk about Creepy. This tool scans social media posts, images, and messages for geotag data, then maps location history visually. It's designed to show just how much you're broadcasting about where you've been and when. Creepy pulls metadata from public posts and photos, then plots them on a map. That means if you've posted vacation pics with location turned on or tweeted from a concert, Creepy can show your exact movements. It's both fascinating and a little alarming. Investigators use Creepy to track digital footprints, but for regular users, it's a wake-up call about oversharing. You might not realize how much location info you're putting out there until you see it mapped out. The tool also demonstrates why disabling geotagging on your phone and social accounts is so important. Even a few public posts can reveal patterns about your daily routine or favorite spots. If you want to check your own exposure, run your handles through Creepy. It's a powerful reminder. Your digital trail is often more public than you think. So, there you have it. 10 secret Google accessible websites that feel almost illegal, but are actually about awareness and protection. As we move deeper into 2026, the amount of public data about each of us is only growing. Every post, every search, every interaction adds to the digital mosaic that anyone can piece together with the right tools. That's why it's so important to regularly review your privacy settings on every platform you use. Take a few minutes to lock down your accounts, update your passwords, and limit what's visible to the world. Remember, oversharing even small details can lead to much bigger exposures down the line. Ultimately, knowing about these OSINT resources isn't about spying. It's about staying informed and keeping yourself safe. Use this knowledge to protect your own data, educate your friends and family, and keep your digital life secure. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.